You filed your Maryland medical malpractice case and now you are wondering, will you be going to court within a month or two, let's say, for example? Want to know the answer to the question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today about that question. You've recently filed a Maryland medical malpractice case in circuit court, and now you're wondering, will you have a jury trial, or will a jury hear your case within a couple of months? Well, the short answer is more than likely no. That's not going to happen. You're not going to be in front of a jury immediately. What you have to understand is that once you file your case, there's a lot of things that are going to happen, as I say, on the back end with the case. For example, the lawyers on both sides are going to be going back and forth through this process. For example, you're going to have to deal with things such as interrogatories or requests for admissions. You're going to have to deal with possibly depositions and all of these types of things. Add to that, you got to remember that your attorneys, on both sides, the attorneys are human. And so, for example, you may have to deal with things like rescheduling because the other side may have a vacation or may have another event that's already been scheduled in the future, and you may have to work around that. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this? Because I'm trying to give you insight into this process. I'm trying to help you understand that there are things that are going to happen after you file your medical malpractice case. Essentially, you're not going to be able to get to court within a couple of months. It can be a year or so before you actually get in front of a jury. And again, that's assuming that the case does not settle before you get to the jury. All right, if you have more questions about your situation, if you've been injured while in the care of a doctor, or maybe your baby has suffered an injury at birth and now you're wondering, should you talk with someone about what's going on, or should you try to get more insight into this process? If you have these types of questions, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And what is that action? To go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be happy to take some time to listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC. We will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.